What's up, my Naturalista beauties? It's your girl Kiana. So today I am coming at you with a quick tutorial on how I achieve this look, and this is just my upgraded look to that standard ass puff that we wear when we actually feeling just a tad bit lazy, girl. You know that life. Don't act like you don't know that life, because your girl do it 24/7 when she don't feel like doing no hair. You hear me? Yes, and they be coming through. So when you want to just kind of upgrade that thing and you don't want to spend too much time, because we all not cosmetologists now. We all not cosmetologists, girl. But that's okay. That's okay. I got you. I got you. So today it's going to be super quick. And this is my look. And when I tell you, you will get compliments. You will get the looks. Like you put all of this effort in something that takes probably about 6 minutes. Real talk. So if you want to see how I achieve this, stay tuned. Okay, beauties. So what I'm going to do just to kind of get started, because my sister already calling me trying to figure out where I am. And I'm sitting up here stealing a scarf because I really didn't want to go nowhere. So what I'm going to do is to kind of jazz my hair up just a little bit from the standard puff that I typically wear when I'm in a rush. But of course today we're going to the mall and all those little things. You know, you got to be cute. You got to be cute, you know. So your girl gonna try to do something. So of course these are the things that I'm going to use to style my hair today. I'm going to take my little ouchless band. I'm going to have a soft bristle brush. I'm going to use my little clip just for sectioning. And then I'm going to use, of course, some bobby pins. And my products of choice, of course, y'all know what I'm about to say if y'all been rolling with me for a minute. It's my curl refresher. All right. And I'm going to use Camille Rose, the Curlaide. And I'm going to use ECOStyler Gel. And last but not least, I'm going to use a Sheen or oil. In my particular case, it's going to be Carol's Daughter. Yes, this thing is beat it, girl. It's beat it. This is the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Hair Sheen. And I love the way it smells. And it makes my hair so soft. So I'm going to use that. Don't judge me, girl. It's been through a time. It's been through a time. But it's okay. This is going to serve a purpose today. So let me go ahead and take this down. Girl, you got some work to do. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, girl, it is clearly wash day, y'all. Don't judge me, it's wash day. You never know how you feel so lazy and you don't feel like doing no kind of washing. I don't feel like doing it. I ain't gonna do the shit. I ain't gonna do it. So it's definitely gonna be a puff day today. So let me go ahead and get started. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. Yeah. Section off some pieces in the front. All right. And no, I'm not parting my hair or nothing. This is a real lazy puff, girl. And I'm gonna go ahead and section it off, meaning I'm gonna pull some hair to the front, get my desired amount, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest up in a ponytail. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair, because of course, you know, when you have your hair in a little pineapple overnight, even with the satin cap on, sometimes it can be still a little bit dry. So I want to add some moisture to it, especially in the crown, because that's usually where it is the driest on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that all throughout my hair. And look at here, girl, what they don't tell you when you go up in there to get them damn piercings. So what I'm going to do now that I sprayed my hair down and I moisturized it just a bit, I'm going to go ahead and start applying my ECOStyler to the nape of my neck. Get them cooker bugs that's going to be showing. Not applying too much, just enough to lay it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my soft bristle brush, brush it up just a little bit. And yes, that is my mole. All right, so now you see that. Go ahead and pull it up a bit. And I'm going to position mine at the very top of my head where the crown is, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little ouchless clips, well actually, excuse me, my little band, fluff a little bit. It's not too tight, because again, remember this your natural hair, girl. It's just a style. You don't want to be sacrificing the health of your hair and breaking just to get a style together, girl. Don't do that, girl. Don't ever do that, okay? So we're gonna just leave it like that. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see what the back looks like. Real nice and sleek. And now we're gonna go ahead and start working on the front. All right, so I am going to work with my edges first. And if you know how I twist my hair, this is exactly how my parts usually fall, because this is how I like to two-strand twist my hair all over. So it's usually 4 in the front, 2 here, 2 here. Well, yeah. And then of course you have them in the back as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with these two. Let me first get this out of my face, girl. And I'm gonna start with this side first. So I'm gonna go ahead and give me some little Curlaide. Moisturize that up real good. I'm gonna spray it a little bit. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my ECOStyler. Take my brush, gently combing my edges. Remember, we need those to stick around, girl. All right. And I'm gonna go ahead and part it. Real nice and slow. Careful not to pop any hair. All right. Yeah, that feels nice and moisturized. All right. And twist. I definitely gotta wash my hair, y'all. Woo. Yes. All right, and what I'm gonna do is two-strand twist it a little bit more than halfway down, but I'm gonna leave this out. And the reason why I'm gonna leave this out is because I'm gonna bring the twist up to where it meets the actual rubber band, and then I'm gonna bobby pin it in place so I can just add a little bit more oomph to that puff at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up. And you can see right there where it meets it. And I'm gonna take my bobby pin and bobby pin it in place. Girl, these damn braces. Girl, did I tell you your girl had to go and get braces? Why? Why, girl? Why your girl had to do it? But anywho, so, and that's what it's gonna look like. So you're gonna do the same to the other side. So let me go ahead and switch. That's what it looks like there. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. And that is what it looks like. All right. So if you really wanted to be jazzy, girl, you could also do different styles with this. So you can actually do your little pompadour and have it sitting up there like that, which is jazzy as hell, girl. Yes. Do your little pompadour. Can't nobody tell you shit. And that's what it'll look like. Or, like me, if you don't really want to have hair in your face, of course, that's another way if you don't want hair in your face. But just to add a little bit more jazz to it, apart from that other style, you can go ahead and continue to twist it up. Right? Notice how consistent I am, so I can make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized and prepped for this style. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a little ECOStyler and I'm just gonna put it here. Not all over the place. I don't want to use too much. Okay. And twist. And remember, a little bit more than halfway down. And I'm going to stop right there for this. See those little curls? We're going to preserve them. And then we're going to bring that hair all the way up here. And pin it in place. All right. We're gonna need 2 for that because my hair is so thick. It's so thick. There we go. And if you really want to be cute too, girl, see, look, I'm giving you all of this goodness. If you want to be cute too, you can leave that hair just like this. If you want, if your twist out is banking still in the front, girl, you can rock that side just like this. And can't nobody tell you shit either. Check that out. What? Yes, honey. But of course, you know, that's not what we're here for. We're not here for that. We're not here for that. But I'm giving you this gold, boo. I'm giving you this gold. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this on down. Spray. Nice and moisturized. Go ahead and put your little ECOStyler right there. Lay it down in the front there. Separate. And twist. That's a little bit more than halfway down there. Loosen it up just a little bit so it won't be too tight. And then we're gonna bring it up again to where the hair meets the rubber band. And we're gonna go ahead and take our little bobby pin and bobby pin it in place. And boom, there you go. So there is your little jazzy style, girl. That's what you can see. Look, I gave you like 3 styles. So you got the pompadour style, you got the one that got the little hang time, and then of course you got this style right here. Well, of course, it's nice, sleek, and chic. And you can rock this anywhere, girl. You can rock it to work. You can go to the mall, go out to the date with your boo, your bae, whoever, and look good as hell doing it. So the next thing, all you have to do is fluff to your desired look. I'm not gonna do too much because Camille gonna call me and aggravate the hell out of me. So this is gonna be it. So this is it, guys. So let me turn around to the side. Give you another side profile look. And rotate it to the back. Rotate it to the back. Because I'm shaking my shoulders. I'm shaking my shoulders. Because I know I just gave you some shit. Yes, honey. All right, so this is the look I'm gonna go with today, girls. I'm not gonna do the most, but I think it's nice, it's quick, it is to the point, and it should get me throughout the day without no problem, no fuss. I don't have to worry about the humidity. It's done. All right, girls. So that's it for me today. Like, comment, and subscribe, definitely. And welcome, ladies. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Love you so much. Bye.